Hello my friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel, where together we will go on a journey of discovery around the best countries in the world. We'll delve into their unique cultures, taste their most famous delicacies, and take a look at their amazing fashion heritage. Let's embark on this exciting adventure. First stop, Japan. We start our journey in the land of the rising sun, Japan. This wonderful country where tradition and modernity meet. We will learn about their amazing culture by visiting beautiful temples and gardens. And of course, we can't miss the opportunity to try delicious food like sushi and ramen. Notice how they blend ancient traditions with modern urban life. Next stop, Italy. From Japan, we head to Italy, the country of beautiful lands and fine arts. We will wander through the narrow streets of Rome and enjoy the beauty of architecture. Let us complete this tour by trying delicious foods such as pasta and pizza. And of course, we'll take a look at the chic world of Italian fashion. Third stop, Morocco. From Europe to Africa, we will enjoy the beauty of Morocco. In the glamorous city of Marrakesh, we'll wander through narrow souks and sample famous foods like tagines. Don't miss the opportunity to wear the traditional djellaba and participate in the charming Oriental dance. This was the beginning of our exciting journey around the best countries in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments about the country you are eager to visit. First stop, Japan. Welcome to Japan, a country of stillness and wonderful contrasts. We head first to Tokyo, the modern capital of Japan, where bright towers meet peaceful parks. Let's start our trip by visiting Sensoji, the famous temple that reflects the beauty of traditional Japanese architecture. Then, enjoy the experience of Japanese traditions in Shinjuku Park, where you can wear a traditional kimono and enjoy watching boy kites. And of course, we can't forget the taste of Japan. Head to one of the small restaurants to try cooking sushi and enjoy fresh and delicious food. Also notice the influence of traditional arts in Rikkyudan Park, where you can see paintings that reflect the beauty of nature. Thus ended our first stop in Japan. We continue our magical journey into the heart of Japan. Second stop, Kyoto, and experience the historical beauty. We now move to Kyoto, where the traditional spirit of Japan is evident. Visit Ginkaku, a historical area that reflects classical Japanese architecture. Stroll through the Kiyomizu Dragon Gardens and enjoy stunning views of the city. Don't miss Fushimi Inari, a temple considered a symbol of romantic love. The book Memories of Geisha, created here, is said to hold the wishes of lovers. Third stop, Osaka and the world of entertainment. Head to Osaka, a vibrant and entertaining city. Visit Donburi, the neighborhood that never sleeps, a cluster of shops, restaurants, and great advertising. A live Japanese cooking experience awaits you at Kazako, where you can cook meat and vegetables at your own table. Fourth stop, Hokkaido and the beauty of nature. Finally, we head towards the northern island of Hokkaido, where stunning nature spreads. Take a stroll through Noburepeto, admire the beautiful lake, and experience the traditional hot baths. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the snow in Niseko and learn about the famous culinary art of gourmet ramen. This is how our wonderful trip in Japan ended. Thank you for participating in this experience. Welcome to Italy, where history, art, and great food meet for an unforgettable trip. First stop, Rome and its ancient history. We move to the heart of Italy, to Rome. Visit the Colosseum, the famous amphitheater that tells the story of the ancient Roman games. Tour Vatican City and enjoy Leonardo da Vinci's painting Asylum in Egypt at the Vatican Museum. Second stop, Florence, the capital of the arts. They headed to Florence, a city that had produced a great number of great artists and scholars. Visit the Galleria Uffizi and enjoy the masterpieces of Michelangelo and Raphael. Visit the Ponte Vecchio, the famous bridge overlooking the Arno River. Third stop, Venice and the finest imagination. Don't miss a visit to Venice, a unique city known for its romantic canals and bridges. Take a trip on the Grand Canal and enjoy the beauty of the ancient buildings. Visit Este, Mark Square, and relax in one of the famous cafes. Fourth stop, Naples and Italian madness. Finally, we head to Naples, a bustling and lively city. Tour Pompeii, the ancient city destroyed by Vesuvius, and enjoy the ancient history the ruins hold. And of course, don't miss tasting the most famous Neapolitan dishes. such as the famous Napolitana pizza.
This is how our stop in Italy ended.
Welcome to the third stop of our exciting trip, Morocco. Day 1. Explore the fascinating city of Marrakech.
We begin our trip by visiting the city of Marrakech, where the traditional Arabic style radiates with its colors and scents.
We start by visiting the old Medina, known for its famous square, Jemel Afene, and its alleys full of traditional shops. Day 2. Tour of the Atlas Mountains.
We go on an adventure to the Atlas Mountains,
where there is enchanting nature and traditional villages. Visit 8 Ben Haddo and Todraha, where we learn about the life of the local people and enjoy the wonderful view of the mountains. Day 3. On the shores of the Atlantic Sea in Essaouira.
We head to Essaouira on the coast of the Atlantic Sea.
Visit the fishing port and enjoy the local markets.
We can also visit the wonderful Bahia Palace and enjoy the beauty of the surrounding gardens. Day 4. Desert experience in Merzouga.
Finally, we head south to Merzouga to experience the beauty of the desert.
We will enjoy riding camels and seeing the stunning sunset in the desert. Don't miss the traditional Bedouin evening experience with music and dancing. This is how we enjoyed our trip in Morocco. Stay tuned for more adventures at the next stop. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments. See you in a new destination in Morocco. Thank you all for participating in this fun trip around the world.
We enjoyed exploring different cultures, tasting delicious cuisine, and gaining glimpses of the country's wonderful culture. In conclusion, I would like to thank you all for interacting and participating in this virtual journey. If you have any other questions or requests, do not hesitate to ask. We are always here to help you explore new worlds and create unforgettable experiences. Write to us in the comments about other countries so that we can share with you a comprehensive report.
I wish you all trips full of adventures and wonderful experiences. See you at the next event. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.